Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I felt this way. Can't get enough, so stay.
It's Auburn and I'm back. Today I'm going to be doing a breakfast mukbang, duckbang. Sorry for the background noise. My sister's watching Blueface on TV. So, today I'm just going to be doing, it's like 11. I just woke up. So let me tell you what I have for breakfast. I have this breakfast biscuit. It looked so good, so I had to get it. And then I have iced coffee. I love iced coffee. Yep. So we're gonna be doing a mukbang.
What was it like coming up, and how hard was it for you to get sneakers? It's hard, but not hard.
Alright, so if you're wondering where I am right now, I'm in my room. It's kind of messy, but I'm in my room and I'm in this thing. Or this, but I got this thing yesterday. Oh my god, cheese is dripping. But basically this is an egg up here, ham, cheese.
Do you ever miss it? There's a high school right across the street. You ever think of pulling up and showing your skills?
This tastes so good. Remember guys? I didn't post like Thursday or Friday because I was throwing up. I didn't. Wednesday my stomach hurt like crazy. Wednesday my stomach was hurting like really bad. And then Wednesday when I got home from school I started throwing up. Like every 5 minutes I would throw up. Friday the same thing. I'd throw up every 5 minutes. And then yesterday I threw up like once, and then I felt better. So I'm not sick anymore. But everybody in my family has been sick, except my sister.
Same thing with sneakers. How important is it for you to connect with them?
It's very important, man. And you, they probably do the most talking, the most researching.
My sister, she's watching this. Let me show you.
Got them. They're going to tell their mama, they're going to tell their daddy, their auntie, look at this. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. So, I don't see this. They really for me.
Can we see about that Blueface right there? I might do a new room tour because I got a whole bunch of new stuff. So, if you want a new room tour, just comment down below. Room tour! And then I'll do it.
When did you decide to do that? When did you think of that? Did that come on your own
Like,
or what?
soon. This is an iced coffee. It's mocha. I literally love coffee so much.
Crazy. You have these really expensive sneakers. Is there any on this wall that
I love the mocha frappes from McDonald's. And I got this from Casey's. Come we go. Casey's. Dinner store. And it was mocha iced coffee. But it's really good. I recommend this. And I recommend a mocha frappe at McDonald's. But if you don't like whipped cream, it comes with whipped cream, or you could say no cream, please. Also, I need to shout some out. Okay, Serenity. Okay.
Yeah, I like these. These are mine right here.
Alright. Okay, so Serenity, if you're watching this, I'm going to school tomorrow. But I'm gonna eat at my house in the morning, so don't wait for me by the door. Okay. I'm not eating at school tomorrow. I'm not eating breakfast at school tomorrow. Because my mom's like cooking eggs in the morning and stuff, so.
So, Blueface came through. Thanks so much for taking the time.
Yeah, right, man. Famous trick. One blew it.
Look out for new music coming soon.
Yeah. Also, my sister, she's 17. She got a new dog, and he's so cute. Also, Serenity. This is for Serenity only. But if you guys don't know what who Serenity is, she's my best friend at school and outside of school, so yeah. But this is only for her, so I forgot what I was gonna say anyways. That was like weird. I'm gonna cut that out of the video. That was weird. Comment down below if this tastes good. Comment down below if you think this tastes good. If you don't, great. If you think this looks good, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it.
Y'all know where the leash is? Auburn, will you go ask Yaz if it's down there? Because Trip needs to go out.
I'm back, guys. So this literally tore apart, and I'm not hungry anymore, so I'm just gonna put it back in here. Look at the, ew. Look at that gigantic mess. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to, actually, you can like if you want. You can subscribe if you want. You can comment down below what I should do in the future if you want. Bye.